You search for how to buy shares of Halozyme Therapeutics Inc., a biotech company focused on enzyme-enabled drug delivery listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HALO. This video is educational and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. Here, I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your balance before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HALO to find Halozyme Therapeutics Inc. Select the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the Halozyme stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent trading. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm it is the correct asset. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to put in, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may become pending or execute when trading resumes, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once the order fills, your Halozyme position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to the example platform is in the description if you want to follow the same process.